What I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to compile a video and a collection of homestay and guest house accommodation. Quite a place called RADHA Homestay. It has a nice look at the flower. And there you have it. So here we have a lovely long, thin, narrow swimming pool. All rooms the owners inform me. Next door to Swastika Bungalow. Okay, so this is a twin room. They do have. Okay, so here's your bathroom. This is a Julia Homestay too. Okay, so this is the room here. Double bedrooms available. PowerPoint, gas stove. So the restaurant. Donna Homestay and Simon Homestay. And then the rest is on quite a new looking building. So this is a deluxe room here at Donna Homestay. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So today I'm here in Sanur and I'm on the main street of Sanur of Jalan, Tamblingan, and what I'm going to do in today's video is I'm going to compile a video and a collection of homestay and guest house accommodation quite close by to the central area of Sanur. So all of these places in today's videos that I feature, they're going to be on the main street of Jalan Tamblingan, and within I'm going to use the RADHA supermarket as a central point, and I will put in the video how far each homestay guest house is from the RADHA supermarket, which I would consider right smack in the centre of Sanur. So without any further ado, let's go and take you and show you these guest houses and homestay accommodations here in central Sanur. Just across the road from El Comedor and Mason Aurelia Hotel, you have a place called RADHA Homestay. It's just sort of set back, you're really a little bit hard to find unless you know what you're looking for next to these shops. And this is the entrance. Courtyard with the rooms down the side. It has a nice little tropical garden setting here in the courtyard. You have rooms on the side there, and then you have 2 stories of rooms here. So this is a superior deluxe room here at RADHA Homestay on Jalan Tamblingan. So we just take you inside for a look around. It's a glass sliding door. Have a really nice double bed inside here. Look at the flower towel. Ooh, nice. Bedside cabinet, bedside light. It is air conditioned, and you also have a clothes rail over there. There's your TV on the wall there. It is international channel, so the owner advises me, and there is Wi-Fi provided. You have a little mini fridge down here. Looks as though bottles of water are provided daily, and then you have a desk area with a chair. And then we'll take you inside the bathroom. Pull, not push. And then here's your night. This is beautiful. Nice sink area, modern design sink area. Under sink storage. There's your toilet. It's really, really nice tile design in here. And the mirror above the sink stretches along the back of the full wall. And there you have a glass shower facility. Again, a really nice use of the tile here as well. Beautiful. So here we have a place called Augusti Homestay. This is opposite the mayor here on Jalan Tamblingan. It's just next door to Coin Joss and through this little alleyway. So we're going to take you inside now. So this is your little reception desk. A little bench facility. So this is Augusti Homestay. It's got a nice little courtyard. We have some sun lounges. Here's the rooms on the right hand side. And then we have a lovely long thin, narrow swimming pool straight down the side. And there's the swimming pool from the back end. Okay, so this is the room here at Augusta Homestay. This is a superior room. All rooms, the owners inform me, are superior. They're all the same. So you have a little balcony here with 2 chairs and a table. You have a little clothes horse for your towel rail. A little basket there also. And this is the doorway. So we're going to take you inside. Big double beds, you have bedside cabinets, have lights on the wall on both sides, have a painting above the bed, have plug sockets either side. The room is air conditioned. So you have TV here, she informs me it's just normal TV. There's also Wi-Fi available. Have a little desk there with 2 chairs. Kettle is provided, cups, looks as though water's provided. You have a little refrigerator also. You have a double wardrobe here on the back wall. Just open the thing. Oh, there's a safety deposit box there in the wardrobe. And then here's your bathroom facility. And there's your toilet, wash basin. Big mirror and plug socket by the side as well. Toiletries are provided. A towel rail, beach towels provided, and there's your shower. Is a place called Homestay that we're about to see. It's right on the side of Jalan, Tamblingan, opposite Coco Mart, Bamboo Blonde, Gelato Factory. This is right on central Jalan, Tamblingan. Homestay 2, and if you continue on down this road you'll go straight to the beach. So there it is, Homestay 2. This is the entrance. So there's rooms over 2 floors, set in a courtyard. This is a very busy place. They're actually full, but they've got 2 rooms that people are checking into today. Okay, so this is the room here at 1 Homestay. As you can see, you have a nice little balcony. You have twin chairs and a table. Have a towel rail for drying your laundry. And this is inside the room. This is a twin bed, however they do have double bedrooms available. You can see bedside cabinets or bedside tables, lighting over each bed. There's a mirror over on the wall there. This is fan and air conditioned. Have satellite television with international channels. Wi-Fi is also provided, so they provide water daily. And here you have your double wardrobe. It is sliding doors. One door is actually open. You have a safety deposit box in the wardrobe. You have a little kitchen here in the back. Sink, power point, gas stove, big refrigerator. Here's your bathroom. You have a big dressing mirror there on the wall just outside the bathroom. And this is your bathroom. Sink greets you as you come and step foot inside. Looks as though toiletries are provided. I see soap, shampoo, conditioner. Big mirror with a nice guy in it. There's your toilet. Everything looks very clean. And then you have a rain shower above you. And there's your towel rail. All is nice and clean, very nicely done. the restaurant adjoining Julia 2 Homestay is a restaurant called Billy's Cafe and Restaurant. So I'll just show you this while we're here at the homestay. So this is the restaurant facility. Hotel Ramayana, which is right next door to Swastika Bungalow, which is down this way, and then Ramayana's in this facility here. So this is the entrance to Ramayana, and here's the reception desk over here. So this is a superior room here at the Ramayana. We have a balcony here with 2 chairs and a table. Also have a clothes rail for drying your towels. And here's the entrance. Okay, so this is a twin room. They do have rooms with double bed only if you require that. Have a bedside light in the middle, bedside cabinet in the middle. Okay, so TV is provided. There are international channels. Wi-Fi is also provided at the hotel. Here's your wardrobe, big double wardrobe. Have a desk area there with a little chair, stool underneath, and a mirror. So we have a sink here with a big mirror also. And you have a refrigerator here in front, which I presume is supposed to be somewhere else. And here's your bathroom. This is a large bathroom, twin shower. Shower curtain provided with soap. A towel rail at the back there. And there's your toilet. So this is the garden facility here at the Ramayana. There's 8 rooms available here in total. Have a mixture of double beds and twin beds. So this is the price list here at the Ramayana. So next we have Bali Rita Hotel Homestay. It's just opposite the White Orchard, and then there's the Parigata Resort, and there's the Maya Hotel. Just down the street from that, and then you come to Rita Homestay, and then just make your way in down here. So this is a room here at Rita Homestay. These are very, very big rooms. This is a Joglo house. So I just take you around inside and show you inside. Have a very big balcony with 4 chairs. There's the doorway. So inside we have a king size bed. It's a wooden frame bed. So you've got bedside cabinets either side. You have a lamp on that's the right hand side. You have another cupboard here. It is air conditioned. And you have a wardrobe over here in the corner. Have a big window there. A huge desk. There's a chair in the corner. So there's your bathtub. A plastic shower fitting. Toilet. Wash basin. And a big wooden mirror. And then this room doesn't have anything inside, but it has a separate kitchen just on the side here, which houses your refrigerator, and you've got a sink area and some cupboards there. And also the refrigerator's supplied. This is the beautiful gardens here at Rita Homestay. You can see you have traditional Balinese style rooms on both sides. And this is another room here at Rita Homestay. You can see the traditional Balinese style decoration on the outside of the windows and the door. Got the balcony here with 2 chairs and a table. I'm going to take you for a look around inside. So here, this room's a little bit different. I think this might be a double bed. We've got bedside cabinets on both sides. You have a lamp, painting on the back wall behind the bed. It is air conditioned. You have a desk facility working area there. And over by the wall you have a refrigerator. And here's your wardrobe. And then here's your bathroom. So you have the bathtub in this one also. Plastic shower. And there's your toilet. So we're here on Jalan, Tamblingan, just opposite the Mayor Hotel, which is a big 5-star hotel here in Jalan, Tamblingan. Pretty central location. And then we have a couple of homestays here, Danau Homestay and Simon Homestay. So we just go down this way now off the main street, and we're going to take you and show you this homestay. This is Danau Homestay. It's your entrance, greeted by these 2 lovely ladies, and then we just walk through here, and you have like a courtyard garden type setting. And then your reception area is here on the right hand side, and then the rest is on quite a new looking building over 2 stories. So we're going to take you and show you in a room. So this is a deluxe room here at Danau Homestay. So you have a nice little balcony seating area with twin chairs and a big table, wooden table. That's a very big table. Have a nice little clothes rail here for drying your laundry. And this is inside the room. So we have a double bed. Not sure what that is on the wall, whether that's a light or not. Painting. It is air conditioned. And you have a little desk here. There's plenty of light in here, big windows, which is unusual for homestays. And they have television. He informs me it's not satellite, it's only local television. Wi-Fi is provided, 75 Mbps. And then you have a kettle, water and cups here. And here you have a double wardrobe. This is your bathroom facility. A little sink here with a mirror, big mirror. It's outside your bathroom, and inside your bathroom it's quite a large bathroom. There you have a toilet, and you have a shower with curtain. Okay, so there we go. That's a nice little collection again of homestay, guest house type accommodation here in the central area of Sanur, or not too far off the main central area of Artisan, the supermarket. So I'll probably have one more video to complete my Jalan Tamblingan street coming to you, which will complete all the homestays and guest houses available along the central street of Jalan Tamblingan. Sorry to those guest houses and homestays if I've missed you in any of my videos, but this will be this is the 3rd video, and then I've got enough collection I think to do a 4th video, so look out for that one in the future. I'm glad to share these homestays and guest houses with you. Hope this is of some use to you, this video, and helps you decide if this is a place for you to stay in Bali. And I shall say bye for now.